Ever scalded your hand on a hot pot or seared your skin while ironing? Yes, we've all been there. Everyday activities can become hazardous in a blink, leaving us with painful burns that disrupt our lives. The discomfort is undeniable, and if left untreated, these burns can pose serious risks. Proper care is essential, not only to soothe the pain, but also to prevent infection and minimize scarring. But what if you could turn to your kitchen or garden for an immediate and natural remedy? Introducing our natural remedy, aloe vera, the burn-fighting superstar. This humble plant, often found in many homes, is a powerhouse when it comes to treating burns. So, what makes aloe vera so effective? Well, it all comes down to 3 key properties. Firstly, aloe vera has a cooling effect. When applied to a burn, it provides instant relief by reducing the heat and soothing the skin. Secondly, it's packed with anti-inflammatory compounds. These help to reduce swelling and redness, which are common symptoms of burns. But the magic doesn't stop there. Aloe vera is also known for its healing properties. It's rich in vitamins and minerals that promote skin regeneration, helping to speed up the healing process. So there you have it, a natural remedy right at your fingertips. It's cooling, anti-inflammatory, and healing, the perfect combination for treating burns. Now, let's dive into how exactly you can use this plant for your burns. So, you've got your aloe vera leaf, what next? Well, let's get right into it. The first step is to clean the burn with cold water. This soothes the burn and removes any debris. Now, onto the aloe vera. Hold the leaf flat and slice along the sides to remove the prickly edges. Once done, cut the leaf open to reveal the gel inside. This gel is the magic we're after. It's packed with anti-inflammatory properties and can help speed up the healing process. Scoop out the gel using a spoon or your fingers. The gel should be clear and slightly sticky. Next, apply the gel directly to the burn. Be gentle and ensure the entire area is covered. You'll start to feel a cooling sensation almost immediately. This process can be repeated as many times as needed throughout the day. And there you have it, a simple natural remedy for burns right from your garden. Now that we've walked you through the process, let's recap the key points. Aloe vera, a nifty natural remedy, is highly effective for treating burns. Its cooling properties soothe the skin, while its antioxidants promote healing. To use it, simply cut a leaf from the plant, squeeze out the gel, and apply it to the affected area. This simple yet effective remedy can be a game changer for those minor burn incidents at home. Remember, nature often has the best solutions to our everyday problems. Stay safe and take care of your skin.